Labels in Trello are colorful tags you can attach to cards to categorize, prioritize, or filter information quickly. They're one of the most powerful ways to keep boards clean and scannable without adding extra lists. Step-by-step guide to using labels effectively. Open or create a board. Log into Trello.com or the Trello app. Select your board or create a new one. Access label settings. On the right sidebar, click Show menu, Labels, or click any card, Labels. You'll see Trello's default 10 colors: green, yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, sky, lime, pink, black. Create and customize labels. Click Create a new label. Type a name, for example, urgent, to design, payment needed. Choose a color. Click Create. Repeat for all categories you need. Keep it to 6 to 10 labels for simplicity. Apply labels to cards. Open any card. Click Labels, select one or more labels, or hover over a card on the board. Click the label icon that appears. Labels appear as colored bars or dots on cards, easy to spot at a glance. Filter and search with labels. Click F or Filter button at top. Select a label to show only cards with that label. Use search bar, top right, type label, urgent, or label design to filter instantly. Combine filters. Label, urgent label, client shows cards with both.